I'm going to explain how to complete the third math worksheet in your week 2 packet. So on the left side again, I have made similar problems to the ones that you're going to be completing. So for mine, it says the area of a rectangle is 36 square centimeters. Its length is 12 centimeters. They want to know what the width is. So it tells you in yours, I didn't rewrite it, but drawing a model is going to be very helpful for you. So I would start by drawing a rectangle. I'm going to make this a little bit thicker. It tells us what the length is. It's 12 centimeters, so I'm going to write 12 here. But then we don't know what the width is, so I'm going to label that W. They did give us the area, which is the inside of the rectangle, and they said that it equals 36 square centimeters. So I know that in order to find the area, I have to take the length times the width. I don't know what that is, what the width is, so I'm going to write it out like this. 12 times W equals 36. So yours is going to be a little bit more simpler than mine, but I'm able to do this in my head, and if you're not, then you might just have to add yours up together. So I could do 12 plus 12 is 24, and then add 12 more to that, and that gets me to 36. So I can count how many times I had to add 12 up to get to 36, and that was 3 times. So I'm going to get rid of that. But I know that 12 times 3 equals 36, so my width is 3, and then I need to make sure that I label centimeters. The width is not square centimeters. Only the area is ever going to be square centimeters or square feet or square anything, because that means that you've taken your unit times your unit again. So 3 centimeters is just the unit. So centimeters here, and on the inside it's centimeters squared, square centimeters. So the answer for mine is 3. Then it says Charlie wants to draw a second rectangle that has the same length but it is 4 times as wide. So I gotta look up here, my length was 12. So that's not gonna change for my new rectangle. So I'm gonna draw a rectangle that's about the same length as the one up there. Woo! And I'm going to label that 12 because it tells me it's the same. But then mine is 4 times as wide. So the width for the original rectangle was 3 centimeters, but it's going to be 4 times that now. So I'm going to do 4 times 3 to figure out my new width, and that is going to equal 12. So I would extend this. Ideally I would extend it 4 times, but I don't quite have that much room. So our new rectangle is going to look like that. It's going to be 12 on this side, 12 on this side, and that is centimeters. Then they want to know what is the perimeter of Charlie's second rectangle. They don't want to know what the area is, they only want to know the perimeter. So I have 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. So 12 times 4, and I know that is 48. So since this is perimeter, it is still just regular centimeters. It's not centimeters squared. That would only be if I was multiplying centimeters times centimeters. So you'll follow the steps to be able to complete A, B, and C for question 3 on the 3rd page of your math section in your week 2 packet.